famine's shadow fields lay bare, a widow walked in grief and care. No name, no seed, no hope to claim, just loss that clung like whispered shame. This outsider gleaned the scattered grain, a foreign heart, a stranger's pain. Yet hidden threads the Lord had spun would bind the broken into one. At the gate where the elders stand, justice speaks across the land. Who will rise and take the place to lift the fallen with covenant grace? Kinsman-Redeemer, near in our need, bone of our bone, the promised seed, paying the price we could not pay, including the lost and making a way. From dust to glory, from loss to life, from bitter tears to joy in the strife. Kinsman-Redeemer, strong and sure, our hope is restored, our hearts made pure. He had the duty and the right to claim the dead man's property, to preserve his name. Before the crowd, the vow was sealed, the price was paid, the fortune revealed. A sandal removed, witnesses view what Boaz is shut up to do. What once was lost he will redeem, more than the broken had dared to dream. Not woven by chance, no random thread, but sovereign hands the pathway led. From empty arms to fullness given, a child is born, a door to heaven. Kinsman-Redeemer, near in our need, bone of our bone, the promised seed, paying the price we could not pay, including strangers and making a way. From dust to glory, from loss to life, from bitter tears to joy in the strife. Kinsman-Redeemer, strong and sure, our hope is restored, we are legally pure. Not just one field, not just one name, but all of Adam's ruined claim. The curse undone, the law fulfilled, hungry Hades forever stilled. He took our flesh, he bore our load, walked every step of sorrow's road. The rightful heir, yet slain to save, the Lord of life, who escaped the grave. From Ruth's sweet child the line would run to David's throne, to God's own Son. The greater Boaz stands revealed, by wounded hands our future is sealed. No longer strangers, weak and alone, we share his blood, we are his own. An endless hope and a kingdom won, adopted heirs through God's own Son. Kinsman-Redeemer, clothed in our frame, living and dying to ransom our name. Justice satisfied, mercy poured free, binding his people eternally. From death to life, from wrath to grace, we stand set free before his face. Kinsman-Redeemer, reigning above, our endless song, redeeming love. Blessed be the Lord who has not left the poor in loss, the soul bereft. A Redeemer lives, his work is complete. We will lay our crowns before his feet. The blessing is ours.